photos of devices made by the Trace Center. Text appears, the Trace archives.
Hello, my name is Dr. Bern Jordan, and I'm the director of the Trace Rehabilitation and Engineering Research Center. In this video, I'm going to show some of the physical features of one of Trace's old prototypes, a voting system.
A touchscreen framed by wide black borders with tactile controls for zoom, volume, help, back and next page, and end.
So the system has speech output when you change pages.
Hand presses the next button.
Ballot page 2 of 6. Justice of the Supreme Court. Vote for 1.
If this isn't loud enough, then you can use the volume wheel on the side.
Hand turns the volume wheel on the right side.
Louder. 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 Loud. Loudest volume.
The system also has zoom buttons to increase the size of text on the screen.
Hand presses the zoom in button.
Larger text. Larger text. Largest text. Ballot page 3 of text already at largest size.
One thing you'll notice is that we show that there are additional choices available in text and by splitting the control and showing kind of half a control.
Text at bottom of list says 5 more choices. Only half of the last visible choice is showing.
And so the person can scroll through the choices to look at them.
Hand taps a down arrow.
And you notice that we sort of move the pane here, the size of the window, so that we again split the control and make it obvious that there are choices. And then list in text how many choices are above and below to make it really clear that there are several choices that are available that the person has not seen or cannot see currently.
Hand presses the zoom out button.
Smallest text.
So the system has a number of buttons on the device itself, and these buttons have unique shapes that are tactily discernible. There is a small bump or nib on the help key. There's also Braille for each of the buttons.
Fingers point out Braille.
And the card slot on the side also has Braille.
Finger traces over Braille.
But this Braille is upside down because your finger will be in an upside down position when you're reading it.
Hand inserts card into slot.
This video focused on the physical features and hardware of the voting system. Check out our overview video to learn more about the entire system.
Trace RERC, www.trace.umd.edu. The Trace RERC is funded by the Administration for Community Living. NIDILRR Grant 90REGE0024.